Hi Buckeyes, I'm meteorologist John Banghoff here with your Buckeye TV Weekend Weather Update. Well, temperatures today are a little bit warmer than they have been, but we descended into quite a bit of cool air earlier this week with highs in the 30s, lows in the 20s. I had multiple people ask me during that stretch, is this a sign of a cooler winter to come? And the answer for that is not necessarily. During the fall and spring, both times of year, when we're kind of in between the warm and cool season, our weather is determined by the placement of the jet stream. In a pattern like we are today, the jet stream is off to our north, so we have the warmer air pushing up into our area when we have highs in the 50s and 60s. Times like earlier this week when we were much cooler, the jet stream is off to our south, so we have the much cooler air dominating our weather. We're in the 20s and 30s. In fact, the outlook for this winter shows temperatures slightly above normal for our area and average precipitation. So, all this said, not necessarily a sign of a cooler winter to come. Our weather pattern at this point is very representative of the situation we have. We are currently in this mild air mass right here where the jet stream is off to our north. As we head into next week though, this jet stream is going to move off to the east and we're going to get this much cooler weather here. This snow, the chance for some much cooler air moving into our area when that jet stream is off to our south. So just because we have these fluctuations, those are completely normal for this time of year. As we're in the fall and the early spring, these fluctuations are normal and not necessarily a sign of a cooler winter. Taking a look outside today, the temperature is 45 degrees, much more mild than we have been the past couple of days. We do have some high clouds all in all, but I do expect those to clear out as we head through the afternoon. No rain to speak of though. Looking at our Buckeye TV radar, we have a clean sweep of the state of Ohio. There are some scattered showers here in Indiana off to our west. I do expect those to dissipate. There is a slight chance of some rain as we head into late this evening into tomorrow morning with a short wave. The models are disagreeing though. One model has the rain making it all the way up into central Ohio. The other one has it staying off to the south. So I don't expect it to be a washout, but still something to certainly keep in mind. Our Buckeye TV surface map shows pretty calm weather across much of the Midwest. We're dry here in the Northeast, much cooler than normal for this time of year here in the Southeast. Looking out farther to the west, pretty calm. It says tranquil here over Texas. Next weather pattern we're going to have is this low pressure system. It's going to kind of move north and south here in the west before continuing off farther to the east, bringing a cold front through our area on Sunday night. There is a chance for some severe weather with that. I'll talk about more in detail here coming up. Forecast for today, high temperature, 50 degrees, eventually much warmer. It is seasonable though. 50 is our average high temperature for this time of year. Winds out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour will be pleasant. Heading into tonight, we drop back down to a low of 37 degrees. It is going to be partly cloudy, a cool evening, a full moon tomorrow night, but this may be your chance to view it because it is going to be quite cloudy as we head into tomorrow evening, so enjoy that moon. Tomorrow for your day on Saturday, beautiful, 57 degrees, the warmest temperature in terms of the sunshine that we're going to have. Going to be a little bit warmer on Sunday, but there's going to be some rain to speak of. Maybe one last chance to get out and go golfing, so make sure to enjoy that. Maybe you're heading out to Champaign, Illinois as Ohio State plays the Fighting Illini Memorial Stadium. It's a noon Eastern time kickoff. That's 11 a.m. Central Time, which is the time in Illinois. It is going to be windy throughout the game, 53 at kickoff, warming all the way to 60 by the end of the game. There is a chance of showers. The models, again, disagree on this quite a bit. It's a cold front that's going to be moving through. So take your rain jacket, but you're not necessarily going to need to bundle up as much as you have this week. Heading back to Columbus tomorrow night, the low drops down to about 48 degrees. It's going to be mostly cloudy through the evening. There is a slight chance of rain later on in the evening out ahead of this cold front. And if your day on Sunday, all in all, a pretty wet day. The eventual high is 64, but I do expect the rain to start in the morning. The SPC, the Storm Prediction Center, has issued a slight risk for severe weather here in Ohio. That means there is a slight chance of some tornadoes. There's a chance for strong winds and hail. So keep your eyes on the forecast for that on Sunday. Make sure you have your No Weather Radio with you and you're at least keeping an eye on what's going on because we could see a chance for some severe weather depending on how early the rain starts, all the different elements that go into creating that severe weather. We could see some damaging winds, some hail, and some tornadoes, so keep your eyes on that. As we head into our Buckeye TV 7-day forecast, much calmer day on Monday, 54 degrees as this cold front moves out of our area, and then Tuesday and Wednesday much cooler, 39 degrees is the high, 24 degrees the low Tuesday into Wednesday. Similar pattern late next week as we have this week, temperatures warming all the way to 50 by Friday. We have another frontal system that'll move through on Friday, bringing another chance for rain. I'm meteorologist John Banghoff. Have a great weekend and go Bucks.